Hey, what's up everybody? For some reason, I wasn't able to finish the video for you, but I am committed to doing that now. So if there's anyone that is going to join me, hop on board for the conclusion on how to divorce-proof your marriage. Otherwise, you will see this on my timeline and you can just delve right in. I was talking about the 7-year mark and how important it is to make it to 7 years, because at that point in your marriage, now you understand and you know that you're going to be with your significant other forever. It starts to really seep in that this person is going to be with me and they aren't going anywhere, or at least you're now feeling in your spirit, okay, I'm going to be with this person forever. Okay, and now I want to help you finally in the conclusion on how to divorce-proof your marriage. I love for you to understand what it takes to really have love in your life. So if you're on the opposite side of this, I want you to write these things down and then go through my all you need is love test. Okay, and here is what love is. Love is patient. Write that down. Love is kind. Love keeps no record of wrong. You got it? Love is not irritable. Love does not rejoice over injustice. Love loves the truth. And I want you to begin to look at this list that I now created for you. And I want you to then think about how you react to that list. And so, for instance, with the love is not irritable rather. I want to give you a concrete example of that. So sometimes I get irritated late into the day after a long day's work. And if I really love my wife, even after I'm done entertaining person after person and I'm at home now and she's giving conversation to me, in order to love her in that moment, I give an attentive ear and I'm not irritated about that. Love never gives up. That's another good one for you. Love remains faithful. Okay, these are the things that you want to test yourself up against whenever you're questioning whether you love a person or not. And this is what I do know, that you have a supernatural power in you to accelerate and excel. I really appreciate your time, especially on a Friday, for so many of you to have joined me on Facebook Live, on video, before you jump into your weekend. It really means a lot to me. I want you to go and check out the first video, not this one, but the first video, and share this with your family and friends. Share these videos with those who are in a relationship, so that we can help them in this one moment. Also, if you're interested in working with me, I got a special opportunity. You can just inbox me and I would love to maybe have a life coaching, consultation with you, so that you can understand what it means to maybe grow to the next level and have me at your side as your coach, as your mentor, pushing you to the next level. Otherwise, I'll see you the next time right here on Facebook Live. Hey, hands up like a champ.